Hey tubers, I couldn't help myself. I ran one circuit. And what I've got here is my two lights in the bedroom ceiling. Morning tubers. It's 15 degrees out at the airport and the RAV4 failed the cold start test. Yeah, it's the battery. Tundra cranked right over. And I'm about to find out if the Ram's battery is any good. Now this thing is still new to me. It's got, I don't know, almost 57,000 miles on it. We'll see in a second here. 56,984. Let's find out if this baby has the power in the battery to crank up on a super cold day. Oh, cranked over like a champ.
But the truth is,
And it's telling me possible ice on the road. I've never experienced that. Hey tubers, how you doing? God, I keep starting little videos, don't making them. And just a lot of things happen in life, you know. So where are we at? Hey, I gotta tell you, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Okay, so what do we got? Looking at the front of the van, I've put all these ceiling boards in. And if you remember, the cleat that I had along the top, that's what's holding this whole front edge. And now I've used my washers to lock it in. I'll eventually cover this with some kind of rug, automotive carpet. And I'm still not sure what I'm going to do for down this side, ceiling, framing, cabinets. Oh, I flip-flop back and forth. Okay. And I went simple in the back. I didn't even try to relocate this light. I just cut and routed around it. And it was a done deal. Right now, I'm going to start trying to put in my 12-volt lights. And I've got a 12-volt battery. Oh. Now we go over to the first spot. Split this wire. Okay, and this wire cutter is a little glitchy. A little bit glitchy. There we go. That's one. That's two. Okay, what did I say? The red is getting the solid white line. And the black is getting the black striper. Okay, now supposedly this will go up in here. All of this will go up in here, and that light will just pop in like that. There you go. Let me see if I can make a jumper cable and get it to turn on. Well, there you go. Ceiling lights in the van. I did it. They're running off a car battery right now, but this is the front circuit, and the back circuit here is dead at the moment. Hopefully, I'll be smart enough to post this video before I've lost all the footage. Hey, just to let you know, I've had this van now for about 3 months, And I put 2,000 miles on it. Overall, it's not bad. But I gotta tell you, this 2003 Toyota Tundra is a better quality vehicle than the 2021 Ram. Sorry, just the truth. Well, tubers, I gotta tell you, I'm excited. The van ceiling is complete. Lights are in. It's all wired. The little notches you see on the edge, they'll all be hidden by cabinets or walls or whatever. But check it out in the front, how I totally cut that in around the foam and made it look really acceptable for me. Anyways, hey, at this point now I can drop the bed in, drop cabinets in. I'm getting really close to having something usable. But we're getting ready for the big storm, so I have to prepare the property for losing power and maybe even getting stuck on this dirt road for a couple days.